Maganda yung mga produkto po. No? Some of them, ang pinaka-highlight na sila talaga ay livelihood. Ito ang nabigay sa kanila at empowerment ng ating mga local people, specifically our indigenous tribes, na suppose malayo sa access ng any centralized market, but then with our programs, nalapit po natin sila sa I would just like to get treatment and statement lang po ng Regional Director and DTI officer. Thank you.
Use the microphone. So. Yes, good morning. Thank you so much for attending this opening press conference of Treasures and Songs. To answer your question, actually, all the national agencies in Region 12, as you see, are partners in developing and empowering our indigenous communities and all the local groups in the region, women, even men's organization, in order to contribute to the economy of the region and also in the country. As we know, tourism has been recognized lately in the previous years and even this year that we are one of the prime movers of the economy in the country. And anchoring that, we have programs to empower our community in order that we, together with all of us here, we're going to showcase our treasures and songs here in Manila.
Do you have any more follow-up, sir? Okay, sir.
Magandang hapon, sir. We at PTI, we firmly believe, sir, that the tourism is part of the economic activities. So that's why in DTI we support this activity. So kami po sa DTI, although malayo po yung mga indigenous people natin, we are assisting them because our reach in DTI is up to the municipal level and we also go to the barangay level. So that's why hindi po natin naiiwan yung mga produkto po na nasa kaloob-looban pa po ng mga barangay. Thank you.
Is there in relation to this, is there anything internal program lang din po or marching order from the President na programs pa to empower our local markets from the Secretary?
It has been even during the first son of the President, tourism has been mentioned. And within the tourism program, we're anchoring on the 7-point agenda of our Secretary. And one is really to strengthen the tourism industry, the accessibility and also the empowering of local communities, and also the strengthening the relationship between tourism, central office and the region, and also with the local government units. And if you've been visiting the region, I think this is a very good platform to know that everyone in the region would have displayed a solid relationship, and so that we can all be really partners in our program. So, yun ang aming mga ginagawa sa region.
Thank you, IBC. Indeed, citing din po, no, Secretary TOT, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. She always said, or she has always been adamant that the Philippines is now on its way to becoming one of the tourism powerhouses in Asia. So do you have any more questions, Paul, from our media friends? You can just approach the microphone, sir, in front of you. Just state your organization, Paul.
I am Bernard Carrera. So bakit ang Travel Expo na ito? Paano ito makakatulong sa pag-promote ng turismo na pinaprodukto din po ng Sock Surgeon, lalo na dito sa mga taga-Fletcher?
Hello. This activity is on its 6th year, and that alone, being its 6th year, is also is already a testimony that this has been a very effective and an efficient platform to promote the products of our region. And as we know, all of the products that are here are part of the value chain. No, not one product can stand alone. So we have to be cooperative in developing all the sectors of the region in order to promote not only the tourism but also the economy of the region. And all these are there and are here for you to see and for you to at least have a glimpse of what we have in the region. Actually, tikim lang ito para makita ninyo kung ano ang meron sa region so that we can invite you to visit Soc Sargent.
Ano po yung mga lugar na siguro magandang puntahan ng mga listeners sa Metro Manila pero ng mga kababayan natin sa Soc Sargent?
Hindi ko masasabi kung ano yung mga magagandang lugar sa Soc Sargent na pwedeng puntahan. Kasi ang Soc Sargent ay isang napakagandang lugar as a whole. But in order for some people here who would not be familiar, Soc Sargent, our gateway is General Santos, and as mentioned kanina, we have 4 provinces, Sarangani, South Cotabato, Cotabato Province, and Sultan Kudarat. We also have 4 cities, that would be General Santos, our gateway. We have Coronadal City, City of Tacurong for Sultan Kudarat, and Kidapawan of Cotabato Province. Each has its own richness in terms of tourism destinations, and all these fabric and food items, and as you know, we are an agricultural region, makikita nyo doon. And if you're outside of the region, some of the people outside of the region will be familiar with Lake Cebu. So we have Lake Cebu, we have La Palmera, we have the bird sanctuary of Sultan Kudarat. Sarangani, you know, is our coastal part of the region, and we have, if you're familiar with Sarbay Festival, it's there in Sarangani, and we have Tuna Festival in General Santos because we are bountiful in that area. If you've been to General Santos, you might notice that our aircraft are big or large. We have smallest Manila to Jensen will be Airbus 321, and that's because our prime commodity, which is tuna, is exported to Japan and the US. Go on.
For tourists, for sa turismo natin, sila po ba yung target natin na tourist arrival sa region?
Oh, in terms of figures, I don't have it here. I don't have a copy of the figure. And we are targeting not only domestic tourism but also international. But we still really have to work on promoting our region. And although we have some concerns as far as other regions' impression of our Soc Sargent region, and that's the reason that recently we just finished yesterday our Philippine Experience Program. It's a flagship program of our Secretary Cristina Frasco, wherein we accommodated 150 guests from abroad. We have diplomats, we had undersecretaries from other national agencies, tour operators, international and domestic, because we showed them that our region is not only beautiful, but it's also and mostly peaceful.
Thank you very much, Regional Director Amina and PTV4. Let us also acknowledge the presence of a social media company, the Exhibit Studio. Yes po, next question.
Good afternoon, Mr. Hernan Palmon, official po, contractor po, Swedish, and also the media partner of Exhibit Studio po. Congratulations po sa inyo sa napakaganda at tagumpay. Ang question lang po, ito po ba yung ginagawa rin po natin sa iba't ibang mga lalawigan po? Ito na ating ginagawa po. Do we have like sa mga iba't ibang lugar na pinopromote din lang, hindi lang po dito sa Manila?
Lahat ng regions, not only Soc Sargent, but the Department of Tourism, BDI, TESDA, we are joining exhibits outside of the region. And Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, we have a lot of exhibits. We have IDF in Cebu, we have RDF somewhere, we Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So we joined that in order to showcase our products, and for your information din lang po, palagi po ubos kung ano man po ang ating mga binibenta kung saan tayo sumasali ng mga kaganapan.
Wow. At next year po, no? Sa ikapito po ba, ikapito next year, I think, what is your plan? I think we need a big more. Okay ito mga Mr. Kena. I think sa dami at sa ganda ng inyong show, do you have plan na mas malaki pag mas malaking lugar?
Yes, we, sana po, please stand to be recognized, Miss Kate Rosal. Although lahat po ng tao dito are working as hard as we all are, we've already discussed, no? We don't have any complaints here, no? We sell and we are also appreciated as a showcase. But somehow we plan to explore, pero tingnan natin kasi kami po ay inaalagaan naman dito. And when we say we want to go bigger, it doesn't mean that we need to transfer. Yeah, perhaps we'll create a better program. Actually, we are challenging ourselves every year. Ang kakompetensya lang po namin ay ang aming last best activity. So we're going to create more programs with all the partnership with all our stakeholders.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, exhibits today. Do we have any more questions? Yes, sir. Kindly approach the microphone.
Good afternoon. Iwan from the National First Committee of the answer humble question. I am Ray Navares of the Manila News Watch publication. My question is, when will be the next soap exposition?
Next, if we are talking about Treasures of Socks, it's gonna be the same month next year. But as part of the Department of Tourism, we will have a Halal Expo. We will be joining that. That will be June 14 to 17 at the Gateway Mall of Cubao. So yan po yung aming sasalihan. And we also have a very big event, UNWTO. It's a worldwide organization of tourism that will happen in Cebu also late this June po.
So that this year, I would like all emphasis opposites individuals to attend and do it if you may in the World Trade Center. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Thank you very